Imagine stepping into a room that instantly lifts your mood. That's the magic of whimsical floral prints. They bring a touch of nature's joy indoors. Like a breath of fresh air, they awaken the senses. Floral prints add personality and charm to any space. Whether it's a single statement piece or a gallery wall, floral art breathes life into your home. Choose from vintage watercolors, bold botanicals, or playful illustrations. Each style brings its own unique energy. Find the floral personality that speaks to you. Let these prints transform blank walls into captivating focal points. Surround yourself with the beauty of nature all year round. It's a simple way to make your house feel like a home. Color has a powerful impact on our mood. Whimsical floral prints offer a rainbow of possibilities. Soft pastels like blush pinks and gentle blues create a sense of peace and tranquility. Think of a serene bedroom retreat. Vibrant yellows and oranges bring energy and optimism, perfect for a cheerful kitchen or a creative workspace. Deep blues and greens evoke a sense of sophistication and calm. Imagine a cozy reading nook with a touch of floral elegance. Experiment with different color palettes to find what resonates with you. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Create a space that reflects your unique style and uplifts your spirits. Layering textures adds depth and warmth to your floral display. Think of a woven tapestry hung near a botanical print, or a gallery wall with a mix of framed prints and a vintage botanical plate. Choose frames that complement your prints and your overall decor. Natural wood frames add warmth and rustic charm. Sleek metal frames create a modern, minimalist look. Get creative with hanging techniques. Use colorful washi tape for a playful touch. Mix and match print sizes for a dynamic and visually interesting display. Try a large statement piece above a fireplace mantle. Create a charming vignette with smaller prints clustered on a bookshelf. Floral prints are more than just decorations. They're expressions of joy and personality. They make thoughtful gifts for every occasion, housewarming, birthday, or just because. A beautiful floral print is a gift that brightens someone's day. Explore the world of online marketplaces and discover unique, high-quality floral prints. Find artists whose styles resonate with you. Support their creativity. Let these prints bring a touch of nature's magic into your life and the lives of those you love. Check the description for an article with comprehensive details. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe.